Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to today's video. So I'm actually at my house working on the SR. I have Matthew over there behind me, behind the camera, washing his car. So today I'm just going to be spending a little bit more time working on the SR. I'm going to update you guys with what I've done so far. Will did take off with the Miata. The wrap is almost done. Like, he drove back, just missing one mirror. That was not done yet. So once that is complete, I'll have him send over some photos that I can insert into the video clips. And yeah, let's get started. Oh, and then also today, actually, I will be filming another Pure Sounds video, episode number 2. If you haven't seen the first episode of the Seawolves Miata, make sure you guys check that one out. But today, I will be filming a manual Corvette, so that should be pretty cool, too. Alright, anyway, so with the SR, as you guys know, the engine is already in, and then over the last couple days, we did get the trans mounted, so that is fully bolted into the car. It's a pretty bad angle, but there it is. So after the trans is in, we got the wiring specialty harness, that is all plugged in here. I just have a couple more things to deal with. Then with the transmission harness, all the sensors are plugged in already. I just have to do the, the alternator and the starter cables as well. And then after that, it's just the radiator, the fan, the intercooler and intake piping, and then just a couple other random buttoning up things. Still have to work a little bit with the interior here as well too. The ECU is over there, not plugged in yet, but the wires are already hanging out over there in that area. And then once that is running, I'll slowly be putting the interior back to this car. So I do want to run a full interior, seats, and forward. So everything behind will be stripped. I don't have carpet right now. I have to order some new carpet eventually. But yeah, anything cage and back will be just stripped, metal, sprayed black interior. But then everything here I have the dashboard, the gauge cluster, all the interior that goes along with the gauge cluster there as well. And then I will be getting a new Sparco Sprint for the passenger too. Okay, so this is the SR as it sits right now. So the fan is on, the radiator is in, the fan shroud, a lot of the intake piping, and then the intercooler stuff. So the intercooler itself will be in this area right here. And then I do have to cut out this hole a little bit bigger to fit both the piping, or fit both pipes for the intercooler there. So I will be doing that pretty soon. And then yeah, the intake is in, and then yeah, just a lot of buttoning stuff up. Gotta get my battery back in there as well too. And then still connect some of the wires over there. I just want to stop for a second and look at my engine bay, just how complete it looks. Starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel with this. And then also, so that is actually the OEM SR wiring harness. Now, the wiring specialties literally replaces every single wire that you have in the engine bay, with the exception of the fuse box connectors only. So it replaces all the harnesses here. It replaces the positive cable to the battery. You do reuse the OEM ground, which is totally fine. Then replaces obviously all the injector plugs and whatnot, all the sensors and connectors, or all the connectors that go to the sensors, and just everything in the engine bay that you see, which made the swap super easy to do. And I highly recommend their harness because everything fit perfectly. Everything was super nice quality, and they're all made in the USA, so it's really cool. Yeah, so right now I'm actually going to be taking a break from the SR. We're going to pick up the Corvette and we're going to be filming the Pure Sounds episode number 2. Alright, let's just swap out cars real quick. For freedom. Magniful exhaust. Baby. Actually, Matthew, we need to film a cold start for the boys real quick. Okay. It's probably been like weeks since this car has been started. For the boys. Have a fun time getting in this car too. Oh god, that's actually so tight. Yeah. Cold start for the boys. We got two brown boys driving in a Corvette with a license plate for freedom, with the top down, revving their engine out. Let's go, let's get it. The clutch on this car is so light, it's like totally surprising. Like you would think a V8 would have a heavy clutch, but it's way lighter than the STI.
Oh baby.
Yeah, this car's should sound really good on the exhaust mic because it pops a ton. So we're gonna see how this goes. Pure Sounds, episode 2. Let's go. All right. I don't like that thing. Okay, so I'm back in the Subaru. Dropped off the Corvette. First initial thoughts. That car, like, no matter how good that car is or what numbers it can put down, I don't know about the V8. It just doesn't have the thing that I don't know. It doesn't do it for me. Like with this car, it has that boxer rumble, it has a turbo whistle, it has the blow off noise.
I think it's also like more interaction, you know, because like you said, you're shifting, you're downshifting. For that, you're just like, you're in third, you're chilling, like you're in the power.
So my initial thoughts on that Corvette, not leaving. They thought we were leaving. Okay, so we're in a parking garage right now, a very crowded one. Actually, let's turn the car off. The Corvette is also a big car. No matter how you put it, even though it has a lot more horsepower than like even a Miata, for example, it'll go up that, even if it goes up that canyon faster, I would still personally rather be in a Miata because I like being in a smaller car and being able to dance around a little bit in the lanes. Something like that, you just have to manhandle, and I like finessing a Miata, or even I call it STI small, STI or a 240 even a 350Z I would prefer. I don't know. I do see the appeal in Corvettes though, but this is like, I'm a total JDM person, with the exception of like M3s. I really like M3s, and 911s. 911s are another one I like. Yeah, I still prefer the STI to the Corvette, 100% every time, all day, every day. Performance every day. And sound too.
I think from passenger perspective too, it's definitely more, I don't know, it just felt more fun. Maybe we're just bandwagons, or not bandwagons, but we're just biased.
Yeah, I haven't even been driving the STI hard because of the problems it's been having.
Because of pussy.
Oh, whoa, it's got a quick little install video to do in this parking garage, in the car. All right, so whoa! And the STI, we have these two headlights right here, which are already LEDs. I did that. And then we have the center dome light right there, which is not LED yet. Still an inefficient incandescent, is that how you say it?
I believe so.
So actually I have new LEDs, I'm replacing all of them. So these are white LEDs, and I have light blue LEDs to go in there now. So we're gonna do that, pop them in real quick. Yo! Light blue LEDs, let's step out. Hey.
I feel like I'm part of the Blue Man group.
You need blue LEDs in the Prelude.
Pass. Ew, you put it on some stuff.
What's in the box? I don't know, pocket knife. It's in the car.
Just said ISR, that's your something clutch line.
Clutch line? I already have their clutch, or I have Chase Bay's clutch line in the car.
And that's the power steering kit.
I didn't buy the power steering kit yet. It's the last piece of my exhaust. I need to grab a pocket knife. It's just a 3-inch turbo outlet pipe that my O2 sensor plugs into as well. But their piece is nice, dude. Like, got their logo welded on and stuff. ISR has really upped their game in the last couple of years. Like, they went from a kind of an eBay company to actually making like really nice products now. A lot of their product line has been updated. This is one of their newer products, I believe, or like new-ish. Nice welds. They have their logo before their name. Their brand used to be ISIS, and then they changed it to ISR. So camera is flashing red battery right now. Alright, so Matthew's taking off soon. I'm just gonna do some more work on the SR off camera so I can just get a lot done. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys next time, and peace out. Make sure you watch that Pure Sounds Corvette video. It'll be coming out very soon, right after this video. So we will see you guys next time. Peace out.